Hello. I don't have my face mask on because the door is locked and no one's here. So I'm going to show you another way of looking at conduction, the vibrating of molecules and moving energy from one particle to another. I am going to place this piece of tin I have on the fire, but I also have it on the thermometer so we can see the heat move from one spot and down to the next. So right now the thermometer here is at 68. 68. Now I'm going to have the energy on this end, which will show that the molecules are vibrating and hitting the other molecules and moving down the metal to the thermometer. Let's see what happens. And we are going to place that there. We're going to watch what happens to the thermometer. Remember, it was started out at 68. I'm going to tilt it just a tad bit here to get more of a surface. Hope you can see that. I'm heating this other end. Okay. So remember, it started at 68. We're going to turn up the flame a little. Keep watching. Well, she's moving up now. They're starting to bounce all the way through. Moving up. Okay. We are at 70. The flame is not heating the air next to it. It's not moving. It's connected right to the metal itself. We're at 72. So the vibration is moving from this point all the way through. Oops. Still moving through. Still moving through. It has moved through faster. We're at 120 now. 120, 125, 130. I wish that wouldn't have fallen off. 145, 150. That is a demonstration to show you that heat travels through molecules, bouncing the molecules to where it goes from the heat to where it's cold. That's what takes place. Right now, the molecules are cooling off, slowing down. They're starting, instead of shaking, in their solid way. Remember, in a solid, they're lined up. They're shaking fast with this heat. Now they're starting to slow down. The heat is now going into the molecules in the air, and that's absorbing it. I can feel the warmth right now of the molecules heating up from my hand. I'm not touching it. I can just feel the air. And that's a different type of heat movement, which we'll be talking about. But conduction is moving through this solid from one molecule to another. The energy moving through in the form of heat. Okay, that's all for now.